Hello everyone, in this tutorial I will discuss how you can protect Microsoft Word document from editing and from copy. So this is my document. So suppose I have an important content in my Microsoft Word and I want to send the file to someone, and I want to protect my document from editing, that no one should be able to edit or copy from my Microsoft Word document. No one should be able to edit the data. For that, what you should do, so this is the document. Just go to the review tab, and here you will see the option restrict editing. So just click on here, restrict editing, and here check this box, limit formatting, and here in the editing restrictions click on here, filling in forms, and now click on yes, start enforcing protection. So it will ask you for a password, so just enter the password. Okay, and now click on OK, and now your document, as you can see here, this document is protected from unintentional editing. So this document is protected from editing. No one will be able to edit this document. For example, if I try to click anywhere, see, and if I'm not able to edit here, so I cannot edit this section, I cannot edit this document. So I cannot make any changes. If I press delete button, I cannot make any changes. And even you can see these options are disabled. Copy, because I am not able to select the document, so that's why these options are disabled. And you can send this document to anyone, and the person will not be able to edit this document. And now how to remove these protections? Suppose if you want to share password with someone that he should be able to edit this document, just send the document and send the password and click on stop protection, and here the user will enter the password and click on OK, and now the user will be able to edit this document, and now you will be able to select the document, and these options are available. So it's a very good way to protect the document from editing and from copy. So what if you want to edit, what if you want to allow only some portion for editing? Then what you will do, just select the part of the document where you will allow the editing. So just select that and go to the restrict edit, go to the review and restrict editing, and here this time you will, in the editing restrictions column, you will set no changes, and here you can see the exception, select part of the document and choose user who are allowed to freely edit them. So everyone will be able to edit this section only. So just select the part if you want to allow to edit some part of the document. So just select that part and go to the editing restriction, just select on no changes, and here in the exceptions click on everyone, and then click on yes, start enforcing protection. And now again enter the password. So I have entered the password, and you can see now, see my document, this part is highlighted because here you can see the checkbox, highlight the reasons I can edit. So I can edit this reason, this part of the document, but I cannot edit the remaining part of the document. So just try to edit. So see, I have clicked here and I am pressing backspace. I am not able to edit this part. I am not able to edit this part as well, but here I will be able to edit this part because I have applied the exception here. that this part the user can edit, but these remaining parts of the document user will not be able to edit. So you can see it's very simple to apply, to enable, to enforce the protection on your Microsoft Word document. So this way you can try. Similarly, you can highlight the other sections and apply the restrictions. So you must try these options. So it's very useful if you want to restrict the editing of your Microsoft Word. So suppose you want to send some important data to someone, and you want to assure that that person will not be able to edit your document, you can apply this. So again, so I will now stop the protection. So password is 123, and here I will disable it, and again let me repeat all the stuff. Now see, this is my document. I am able to edit this document, but now I don't want someone to edit this document. So just click on the review tab, go to the restrict editing. Just in the editing restriction section, just click on filling the forms and start enforcement, and enter the password and click on OK. And now your document is safe. Your document is protected from unintentional editing. No one will be able to edit this document. No one will be able to click anywhere on the document. So no one will be able to edit the document or copy the document. He or she can only read the document. And if someone has the password, what she will do, just click on the stop protection and enter the password and click on OK, and then he or she will be able to edit the document. And I have then explained how to edit some part of the document, how to allow editing to some part. Just highlight that region, and this time select no changes, and in the exception select everyone, and then click on start enforcing protection. Then the user will be able to edit this region only, and he or she will not be able to edit the remaining regions. So that's all for this video. I hope you have learned this trick. Thank you for watching.